Hey mamas! If you've noticed that your baby is struggling with tummy time, rolling over, crawling, or even sitting up, then body tension might be the culprit. Hi, I'm Kylie. You can think of me as your baby therapist in your back pocket. And in today's video, I'm going to chat about how body tension can restrict your baby's movement and what you can do to help. Plus, I have a special free resource just for you, a baby body bliss guide that will help you assess your baby for body tension at home. The link to download this is in the description below, so don't miss out. So, what exactly is body tension? Body tension happens when your baby's muscles and connective tissues become overly tight, making it harder for them to move freely. Sometimes this tension can happen because of how they were positioned in the womb, maybe due to birth trauma or birth interventions or other muscle tightness that hasn't resolved on its own. Body tension affects a baby's ability to hit major milestones like tummy time, rolling, crawling, and sitting up. But it's not just the muscles that can become tight. It's also something called fascia. Fascia is a thin layer of connective tissue that wraps around all of our muscles and organs and bones and nerves. It's designed to protect everything underneath, but when it gets tight or restricted, whether from in utero positioning, birth trauma, or interventions during birth, or prolonged tension, it can seriously limit your baby's ability to move freely and comfortably. For example, if your baby's fascia becomes restricted around the neck, they might struggle to turn their head from side to side, which affects tummy time and rolling over. Tight fascia in the hips can make crawling uneven or difficult. While fascia is really great at protecting the body, it's not so good at letting go, and that's where body tension really becomes an issue. So, what should you look for? Here are some signs that your baby might have body tension or fascial restriction. Difficulty turning their head from side to side or a preference for just one side. Stiff or tight arms and legs or clenched hands and feet that don't relax easily. Arching their back frequently during feeds or tummy time or when being held. Fussiness or discomfort when placed on their back or their tummies. Difficulty sitting up without slumping over or leaning to one side. These are just a few signs, but every baby is different. If you notice any of these, body tension or tight fascia might be what's holding your baby back. The good news is you can help your baby with body tension at home. Gentle bodywork such as stretches and specific exercises can help relax not only your baby's muscles, but also their fascia, which is a key piece in their ability to move freely. Here are some gentle ways you can help release your baby's fascia and ease body tension at home. Gentle stretching. So slow, gentle stretches can help release fascia around the shoulders, hips, and other limbs. Be sure to move slowly because fascia responds best to gentle pressure over time. The next one is holding your baby upright, such as in a baby carrier, because this can naturally help to stretch the fascia around their neck, shoulders, and back. Tummy time also helps with stretching and strengthening the fascia and the muscles in the neck, chest, upper back, abdomen, and the diaphragm. Encourage your baby to move their head and arms while on their tummy using motivating toys or your face. Infant massage is the next one. Using soft circular motions, you can massage areas like the neck and the shoulders along the spine and the legs to gently release fascial tightness. Movement and mobility is also really important, so encourage rolling and reaching and stretching by playing on the floor with your baby. These dynamic movements help release fascia restrictions and improve mobility. While there's a lot that you can do at home, professional bodywork can make a huge difference. That's where modalities like craniosacral therapy and osteopathy come in. These therapies focus on releasing fascial restrictions and promoting better movement patterns in babies. Craniosacral therapy is a gentle hands-on therapy that works by releasing tension in the fascia around the skull and the spine and the pelvis and all over the body, really. It's particularly effective for babies who have maybe had birth trauma or more difficult labors. Pediatric osteopaths also use hands-on techniques to release fascial restrictions and improve mobility, often helping babies who have tightness from birth or through positioning in the womb. More and more pediatric chiropractors, occupational therapists, and physical therapists are also being trained in these different modalities to support babies on a much deeper level. They're realizing that by addressing fascia and body tension early, they can help babies reach their developmental milestones and their functional potential with less discomfort and more ease. I've put together something really special to help you with this. My Baby Body Bliss Guide is a free resource that walks you through how to assess your baby for body tension and fascia tightness at home and includes simple exercises to help release that tension. The link to download this is in the description below, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching today, mamas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more baby development, and share this with another mama who might need it today. And if you're ready to take a step further, join my upcoming baby bodywork workshop, a hands-on, step-by-step workshop where I guide you through helping your baby move freely and comfortably. All the details are linked below. See you in the next video.